before I come in here, I wanted to push for the conversation how to actually improve the relationship between the Vietnamese business and the Australian business in the ICT sector, because before AusCham is more mainly supporting the tourism and education sector, but ICT is the sector that actually have a lot of potential, that creating like having the Vietnamese business to partner with the Australian business, or the Australian business to come to Da Nang especially to invest in the business here. And I was very glad that that message was delivered and was discussed, and many business in Da Nang actually interested in the Australian market as well.
Very impressed by the event today. It was well organised, and certainly the speakers were of the calibre that I would expect. They all gave a good opinion on the ICT market here in Vietnam, especially in Da Nang, and I was really happy to hear a lot of the comments from the people attending as well. My expectations of the event today was to be warmly welcomed, which I was, and to be heard, which I was, and also to be able to ask questions of the people in the audience, which I was able to as well. Pleasantly surprised and very happy that we had this event today.
On behalf of the Investment Promotion Agency of Da Nang City, we would like to say thank you to ENOUVO to cooperate with us to organize this event. This event is very meaningful to us because it sells the image of the Da Nang City to the Australian investor. At this moment, the investment from Australia is still limited in Da Nang City, and through this event, everyone to get to know each other, especially the enterprise from Da Nang City and enterprise from Australia. This event like a bridge to connect two sides, and we're so delighted to be here today. And I hope that through this event, there are more and more connection between Da Nang and Australia in the future.
Coming to the meeting today, and it was something that we had to, and we actually had one of our directors come up to Australia, and we specifically planned him to come to the meeting today because he's our ICT expert. Now, what we do is a hell of a lot of work in relation to digital and education, and that's our major platform that we in fact do. And we've just started a major project in Australia in relation to the creation of a knowledge hub, a digital knowledge hub. So in coming here today, we wanted to spend a fair bit of time understanding the opportunity to link to other businesses here, and I think this workshop was a great forum in which to start to meet all the other businesses that we could meet to actually gain a whole lot of skills that we don't have.
I see that this is very valuable for the ICT ecosystem in Da Nang. We not yet approach the Australia market, so that's why we need some information about the inside of the market to figure out and to see how we could start for the new promising market and collaboration.
I'm in charge of startup and develop the innovation startup ecosystem. So what I expect today is to looking for the partnership between Da Nang and Australia in the innovation and education. The event is great, and it's an opportunity for us to know about Australia and how to strengthen the partnership between Da Nang and Australia.